Jacob here with Sarracenia Northwest, and this is your Carnivorous Plant Care Guide for September 2025. Our nursery is located in Oregon, and September is one of the best months in Oregon. Days are mostly sunny and mild with cool nights. With the fall season just around the corner, the late season Sarracenia are showing off some amazing pictures right now. Their late season pictures are taller and more colorful, which is a stark contrast to their pictures earlier in the season. The effect is quite dramatic on Sarracenia leucophylla, alata, and their hybrids. The mid-season Sarracenia, like Flava atroparparia, ornata, rubricopora, cuprea, might not produce any new pitches this late in the season, but much of their summer pitches will still be looking good. The early season Sarracenia, like Oreophila and the typical form of Flava, will produce non-carnivorous leaves called phyllodia. These plants are also getting ready to drop their pitchers. Keep in mind that these species are on a different cycle and produce their best pitchers early in the season. Regardless of the variety of Sarracenia, you might see some brown spots along the sides of the pitchers. This happens from decomposing insects. The brown spot is harmless to the plant and is a sign that your plant is earning its keep. Venus flytraps also grow larger traps in September. We have many varieties that are putting on a show right now. Traps produced in September will last through the winter. However, the traps produced in early summer will die off as the days get shorter and colder. Hardy sundews are starting to go dormant. Once we get past the fall equinox, they will be completely dormant. Darlingtonia also slow down as the growing season winds down, but much of their pitches are still looking good. There might be some spotting from dried nectar, but this doesn't affect their overall health. To care for your outdoor perennials, first, make sure they're getting lots of sunlight and water. Sunlight and water are still important for these plants, even if dormancy is just around the corner. With your late season Sarracenia, you can spruce them up by clipping off the early season pitchers. This will bring more focus to the late season pitchers. If you're unsure about which pitchers to cut off, just follow this basic rule. If you can't stand looking at it, cut it off. You can also leave the plant as it is. There's no harm in keeping the older pitchers, nor is there any harm in trimming them off. It's all a matter of personal taste. September is also when we evaluate the potential of new crosses and decide which ones are good enough to be part of our future inventory. The process of introducing new cultivars takes many years, and not all breedings produce a cultivar. A small percentage are clear winners. Most, however, don't make the cut and are set aside to be sold as random unknown hybrids. While some of these are not yet for sale, we have many other plants ready for new homes. You can check out the current inventory at growcarnivorousplants.com. Some growers will move their tropical plants, like these Brocchenia, outside for the summer. If you happen to move your tropical plants outside, pay attention to the nighttime temperatures. Most tropical plants can withstand a quick overnight dip down to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. But you should move your tropical plants back inside when night temperatures consistently drop to about 50 degrees or if the day temperatures fall below 70. If in doubt, just bring them inside. It's best to be safe than sorry. But before bringing your tropical plants back inside, spray them with a pesticide. You want to make sure you kill off any pests that might be on your plants. Check out our 2 videos about pesticides. You can find the links down below. In September, many tropical plants will perk up now that we're past the intense heat of summer. Tropical butterworts and sundews grow best when the weather is mild and bright. Nepenthes also appreciate the mild temperatures of September. This is when we see a flush of new pitchers and a spurt in growth that would continue into November. With all of your tropical plants, make sure they're getting the appropriate sunlight and water. Now, before I sign off, I want to let you know that we'll start production of other videos very soon. We had to take a break for several months, but our schedules have finally calmed down, so you can look forward to more videos in the months to come. Now, if you need help with your carnivorous plants, we're here for you. Visit our website, growcarnivorousplants.com, and look for the Ask the Growers link to submit your question. And while you're on our website, check out the latest inventory update. We got many plants ready for new homes. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in another video.